Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today, as you can hear by my freaking voice and by this intro, I'm very excited to bring you a new banger video from MEXC, guys. And this video is quite special because actually, if you remember, we did have some videos about MEXC back in the days. Obviously a very good exchange. I will briefly talk about it later on, but in today's video, guys, we will talk about this thing right here. Supercar giveaway, $12 million prize pool. Alright, so before we get right into it, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can jump right into this video, guys. So into this video, as I said, we are discussing this grand giveaway right here, guys. And the thing with this event is that it ends in 9 days, but there is still time to act, okay? There is still time to act. Registration is totally free. There is some countries that are not eligible. However, when you will register, it will show you whether you are eligible or no. And there is a whole list on the website as well of the countries that are not allowed. There is still 9 days, guys, and the progressive prize pool they have, okay? They have progressive prize pool here. So the prize pool basically grows, and the more people participate, the higher the prize pool is. Simple as that, right? Currently they have 106,000 users. There is still 9 days to go. So to unlock the 12 million, they need 200,000. Definitely achievable, I would say. But 150,000, I mean, this one should be definitely hit. We will see about this one, but I'm feeling the 10 million should be definitely there. But anyway, still, just currently there is 6 million USDT in the prize pool, guys. So you have some participation requirements. You basically trade futures to earn free lucky draw chances. You have the event period, the information, and the eligibility. As I said at the beginning, you will have info whether you are eligible or no after you hit the registration button. So why I'm so excited about this event, guys, because it's not only really about the grand prize. You also have those scratch cards, for example, which is pretty cool. Because every single day, as you can see, there is 90,000 USDT prize pool. For example, for today, there is still 36,000. So you share 60% of the total prize pool in futures bonus, guaranteed win with every scratch. So there are those scratch cards, and as you can see, for every accumulated daily trading volume of 50,000 USDT, you will receive 1 scratch chance with a maximum of 10 chances per day. So obviously, for those that trade futures, this volume will be pretty easy to achieve. If you are not trading futures, then maybe this event is not exactly for you. However, you can still learn how to trade them and then maybe utilize it. But obviously, guys, trading futures is risky. I have to put that out, okay? But if you already know how to trade them, then MEXC, you can basically move to MEXC and utilize the chance of winning the event, right? So that's just one of the things that you can do. And those scratch cards, guys, have different rewards, as you can see. If you click prize info, it shows you what are the bonuses. So as you can see, you have 2024 USDT with 1 quantity, 1000, there is 5 of those, 10 of 500s, 20 of 200s, 20 of 100s, 50 of 50s, then 120, then 200 of 10s, and some smaller bonuses as well. But remember that you can have up to 10 scratches per day, and if you actually scroll up here, you can see people are winning from those scratch cards. So for example, someone won 20 USDT, 5 USDT, 20 USDT, 200 USDT, for example, this guy. So he got pretty lucky, and then you can utilize this bonus to trade more futures and make more money potentially. So yeah, the people that know how to trade can definitely utilize this. Look, 500 USDT from a scratch off as well. So he got lucky, got that 1 of 10, I believe, right? Yeah, 1 of 10 prizes. Pretty cool. But that's not the end. There are also weekly surprises. As you can see, win up to 5,000 USDT. You share 25% of total prize pool in futures bonus. Everyone wins. So for every accumulated weekly trading volume, remember that this is weekly, of 4 million USDT, you will receive 1 lucky draw chance with a maximum of 5 chances per week. So if you are a big trader, then again, this would be pretty cool for you. And then with this draw, you can also receive really cool prizes, as you can see. So this week, total prize pool 250,000, still 34,000 remaining, and you can see the exact bonuses, which in this case, man, they are huge, okay? So for example, 5 5,000s, then 10 1,500, 500 USDT, 50 of them, and some smaller bonuses again. But then, guys, we are getting into the major ultimate grand prize, which is a supercar, okay? I mean, man, imagine winning a supercar from an exchange. Craziness, right? pretty much craziness. So for every accumulated trading volume of 20 million USDT during the event period, so this is throughout the whole period, you will receive one sequentially generated 5-digit lucky ticket. There is no limit on the ticket numbers, right? And then MEXC will select the first Bitcoin block hash after a specified time, and last 5 digits of this hash will serve as the winning number. So honestly, this is very cool because simply, you know, it's unriggable in any case. It's essentially like fully transparent, fully fair, because, well, I mean, how can they rig a blockchain number? They can do it, okay? So that's the way it will work, and then you will have your number right here. I mean, the lucky number will be shown right here. So you have example here, right? So there is a random hash, and they take those last 5 digits out of here. So for example, if you had the ticket 31128, then you would have won the prize. So the ultimate prize, guys, as you can see, so it is worth 500 USDT, okay? So that's crazy. And then you also have the elite prizes, 45,000 USDT, so that's like Tesla, 20,000 USDT Rolex, 10,000 USDT Louis Vuitton and Hermes bags, some Apple products, and some also other bonuses. You have the whole event rules right here, okay? That's what you need to do to be eligible. And then you also have information how to redeem all of that, so it is all explained on the event page, okay? So that's where you need to look out for that. So quickly, guys, if you are not already registered on MEXC, and maybe if you would want to, they have some cool features here. You can buy your crypto here with different ways. You can purchase with bank transfer, you can purchase with your card or peer-to-peer, so there is multiple ways to do it. Different markets, spot trading, futures trading, they have the launch pool and Kickstarter, so they really have endless opportunities here. So yeah, they have different airdrops again, some events. I mean, the one that I just showed you, for example, they are very newbie friendly as well. It's a really cool exchange because MEXC is like for everyone. They have a very friendly interface, so yeah, like I'm pretty sure that anyone will be able to use the exchange. So yeah, if you are interested in checking out the event or in registering on MEXC, then I will link everything that you need down below in the description of this video, guys. And I wanted to thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.